Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you what to do when your power button and volume button is not working. So let's start. First open settings on your device. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now tap on interaction and dexterity. Now tap on assistant menu and turn it on. And you'll see a hovering button on your screen. You can move it anywhere you like. And you can also customize it as you like. You can add more menu options. Change the size. Now let's close the settings app. Now if you touch on the assistant menu and tap on recents, and you'll see all the recent apps. And if you tap on home button, it will take you to the home page. And you open an app and tap on the back button, it will take you back. There are some more options. If you tap on screen off, your screen will turn off. You can also manage your audio level. You can mute your phone while you're in a meeting. You can also take a screenshot. Now if you swipe left, there are some more options. If you tap on notification panel, your notification panel will come down. And if you tap on cursor, you will get a mouse pointer and a mousepad type space on your screen. And if you tap on screen control, you will have 4 arrow signs on your screen. And you can control the screen with those arrow signs. Now if you tap on power off menu, you will see the power off menu on your screen. And if you tap on menu settings, it will take you to the settings option. And to turn assistant menu off, just simply disable the assistant menu option. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.